Now search for grocery. Grocery, sir. Okay. Now tell me now I want to get this database, this schema here. How to get? We can go for use database, database name. Same thing. How to get schema? Use schema, schema name. Win dev db dev schema. So this is so far good. Now tell me in this database, in this schema, I want a list of tables. How's list of tables?
Sure.
Show tables,
Show
control
tables.
and control enter. Okay. Now I want to see this table data. How to see table data by using what concept?
Show tables.
No, table data by using
Select.
DRL or
Select.
DQL. That is selected. What is syntax? Select star from table name. What is star here?
All.
What all?
Projection
It's a
of.
project operator project, all the columns and all the records. Okay, so this is so far good. Okay. Now this is fine. Now if we see this data, tell me is it good looking? So T, capital T, all uppercase, all lowercase, mixed case. Tell me this data is good looking. Can I show the same thing in the client?
No.
No. I want to display in
No.
a proper format. See, so I want to display in a proper format. Okay. How to display in the proper format? Now we should go for what concept? See, simple thing. So this is not good looking. Now I want to display in a proper format. How can display by using? So by using column modification functions. Nothing but what we're having. So we're having string functions, number functions, date functions, and conversion functions. Okay, see by using this what happened if you see this data is not good looking. Now I want to make it in a proper format. Okay. Now tell me what are string functions we're having? Any guess? Noted as string functions. Now tell me now I'm having Praveen Kumar is there. Okay, it's a mixed cases there. Okay. Now I want to convert everything into capital case. Tell me how to convert everything to capital case by using what? Okay.
Uppercase.
Upper function. So control C. Now tell me now it will work.
No.
Why? So it says
By using function. Yeah.
Now it's just string comparison included with single quote. Now I want to convert everything into capital case. Go for what? Go for upper function. Okay. So upper function. So this is not good looking. Heading. I want to give proper heading. How do you give proper heading? By using what concept? By using column alias. See, this is see if you see heading now, this is not good looking. So I want you one temporary name. So that is called as column alias. Okay. Same thing. I want to make it into small case. How to make it into small case? Go for lower function. Same. So see, so far put semicolon lower function. Same thing. I want to get capital P, capital K, capital B. Remaining, I want to make it into small case. We're having what concept? We're having init cap. Init cap, what is doing? Capital P, capital K. So initial letter, capital case, remaining, I am trying to make it into small case. I want to find the length. So length function. So got to find a step by step. So upper function, lower function, init cap, length. Okay, so far. Same thing, we're having so many things we'll discuss. So we're discussing upper, lower. Same, let me go here. So Praveen is there. In this Praveen, wherever E is there, I want to make it to XXM. Tell me, so this is the input, this is the expected output. Now, how to write this concept? Anyone? So wherever E is there, I want to make it to XXX. How to make it?
Replace.
So by using replace concept, see select replace. So replace our string. So what is the string? Praveen is the string. So which value I want to replace? Wherever is there, I want to make it to X. Simple thing. So this is my string. Wherever is there, I want to make it to X. Same thing. Let me copy. Control C, Control V. Now 1. Tell me what is the exact output? PRAV. PRAV.
Instead of E, 1 is.
So 1 and same thing. Let me go here now. Instead of now, tell me now I am removing this X. What is the exact output? Very important.
PRAN.
PRAVN. Okay, what about E? E will be removed. Here. So see here. Okay, wherever E is there, we are making to X. But here what happened, wherever is there, we are asking to remove. Okay, this is the same function. Now tell me, so what is the exact output? PRAV,
XXN.
N, what about E? E, small e will be there or not?
XX.
XX, why? Tell me,
E is
data in the
there.
database is
Yes,
case
sir.
sensitive or not?
E is
What is the
there.
exact? What is output? PRAV, XXN,
E, small e.
E. So see what happened. So in data in that Snowflake database is case sensitive. Sensitive nothing but what, if it is small e, it should be small e. So it's a case sensitive. Got a pointer. So this is so far good. Now question is that what if it's small case or uppercase? Now I want to get output. What is the output expected? So PRAVEN double. Okay, PRAV X. Tell me how to get wherever is it is small e or capital E, I want to get out as this one. How to get
Upper
where I should use upper
before.
before what? Before where?
Text after replace.
Hmm. So see, we need to say completely. So see, we need to convert our data into capital case. Tell me what it will convert right now. Small e will convert into uppercase. Now what is the exact output? PRAV XXN double X. Okay, see, simple thing. So wherever is there, if it is small e or capital E, I want to make it to convert into uppercase. How to convert by using this concept only. So this is the concept of upper function. Okay, see, so far what discussed upper, lower,
Sir,
init.
can you repeat that one, sir, please?
Last one, see, suppose see,
Mm.
now requirement is that what, see, PRAV, okay. Now what expected output is that what PRAV, XX, N, XX. But what happened, tell me data in the database is what? It's a case sensitive. Nothing but what, suppose see, if I go for replace, now I go for wherever small is there, I am trying to make it to X. Now what is expected output? Tell me PRAV, wherever small is there, there only will get X. But requirement is that what, if it is small e or capital E, I want to make it to capital X. Now see, for this purpose, what I am trying to convert everything into lowercase or uppercase. Now tell me what will get. Now all the data will be converted into lowercase. Got a point? See, now same thing. Now what happened? So we want to convert our entire data into lowercase. Lower of Praveen. Now tell me now what will happen. Now this all the data will be converted into small case. So small is small. Now we'll get all the XX. So we need to convert our data into one case and we can able to make it working. And now how to give proper heading by using column alias. How to find the length by using length function. We can able to use multiple things at a time. Got a point? So clear so far. So this is the concept of same
Yes.
thing. Yes. So far we discussed what? So what we discussed, tell me, we discussed upper function, lower function, init cap. So replace, then, so this is so far good. Let me come to one application, then you can able to say, go to Povin. Now see here what happened if you scroll down. Now tell me, see capital A, capital A, capital A. Tell me how we are trying to make it. Start letter uppercase, remaining I want to make it to small case. This is what?
Init cap.
Init cap. Again, see A, B, C, D, E. This is what?
Ascending
TUW.
order.
Ascending. So the nothing but what is ascending order? How to getting by using
Order
order by ascending. So see, now I am selecting Uttar Pradesh. I'm getting only again what? Capital A, capital A, cap. This is what init cap and starting concept. Tell me now I'm selecting West Bengal. I'm getting only this. This is called as what? It's called as filtering concept. How many tables are there? One table or two tables? One table, two tables. Now one is states table, other is a district table. I am selecting the particular state ID. So we're getting only this. Nothing but this is filtering concept. sorting concept, and init camp. Got a pointer. So this is the so far. Same thing. Let me go for one more use case. One second. One second. Data is there. Numbers are not. One second. Give me. Now see this one. Now what happened? See this use case. Okay. Now tell me. Now what they want, wherever hyphens are there, they want to remove those hyphens. How to remove those hyphens? Tell me.
Replace.
Replace.
Tell me.
Replace.
So by using, okay, see replace concept. So replace wherever hyphens are there, we need to replace with what? With the empty string. Okay, so far good. Okay, that one is not getting. Chalo, we can. So this is so far good. Okay, let me come to here. Okay. So this is fine. Next thing is that what, see now I'm having, okay, so this is my string. Okay, select. So right now we're discussing separately. So going forward, we'll see in detail. Okay. Now here what happened? Now see here spaces are there. Tell me how to remove spaces.
Trim.
By using
Trim
what concept?
Trim.
By using trim function. But I want to remove spaces at the left side only. How to remove spaces at left side?
Left trim by using left trim.
Not a left trim, Ltrim. Okay, Ltrim will remove spaces at left side only. So left side. Okay, so far good. Same thing, I want to remove the spaces at the right side. Tell me how to remove spaces at right side.
R trim.
R trim. So now I want to remove the spaces at the left and right. Then what I should do?
Trim.
It will work. Huh? Tell me it will work. Huh? Yes or no? It will work. So instead of using like this, what happened? We can use simply trim function we use. So trim will remove spaces before and after. But requirement is that what now? I want to remove the spaces wherever, if it is starting or in the middle or anywhere. Now our requirement is that trim will remove spaces before and after. But I want to remove the spaces in the middle also. Now how to remove? Tell me how to remove.
Left and right trim by using.
No. In the middle. So see, Ltrim will remove left side, R trim will right side, but I want to remove the spaces in the middle also. Then how to? So replace, no. So see, what is replace concept? Tell me. Suppose let me go here. Let me put a replace function. Replace. So wherever space is there, I am make it to X. Now what's the expected output? See, wherever space I will get. But what happened? We want X. What we want? We want nothing. Then tell me what I should do.
Empty.
Tell me then what I should do. We should put empty string. Okay, empty string, or we can able to remove here. So it won't have any impact. We can able to remove the third argument. So see, this is the functionality. So wherever space is there, we should go for this replace concept. Okay. Tell me so far what we discussed, which string function discussed. There are so many things are there. So one is upper, lower, and then init cap, length function, then replace concept, then so
Left
trim,
trim, right.
Ltrim, R trim we discussed so far. Same thing, let me see how to see list of tables, show tables, control enter. Now see this grocery table. So see now I want to see the data. Select star from table.
Table.
Okay. Now tell me this data is good looking. And now I want to have in the proper format. Tell me how to have in the proper format. We should go for what concept? It is string function. So init cap of star. Tell me this is permanently will change or this is for temporary purpose? Temporary purpose. If I want to make it a permanent, what I should do?
By using commit.
Commit. Why commit will comment factor? Select commit will work.
Alter it.
Altering. Oh my God, tell me.
Update.
So see, don't confuse. Alter is for what? Tell me. Alter for
It's for the
definition. But what happened? I'm asking for data. Data nothing but what? It's a DML. That is update statement. Tell me how to write update statement. Update table name. Table name. Set stock equal to upper of stock. So tell me what happened. It will convert everything into uppercase. Okay, see, concept you need to understand. So see, if I want to modify the data, go for DML. If I want to modify the definition, go for DDL. So far good. Okay. Now same thing, one more concept is there. Okay. Suppose select P is there. So this is one string. So see, this is one string, this is one string. I want to club in a single string, single column or single value. How to club? By using what concept? We're having concat or pipe symbol is there. So simple thing. Right now, two strings are there. I want to club in a single string. See what happened? See pipe symbol. Okay, or we can go for what concept? We can go for concat. So it will club two strings into a single string. So this is the concept of concat. Okay. Now output property by using column alias temporary name, we can go for the functionality. So far good. Okay. Same thing. Let me come to the select star from employee. Okay. See employee. Now tell me here salary is there. Okay. Tell me it is what? It is 50,000 rupees or $50,000. How can you say? Tell me. So we should go for what? We should put rupees. If I put rupees, nothing but tell me. So rupees salary. Tell me how to club two strings.
By using concat.
Concat or pipe symbol. How to put property by using column alias. Okay, so far good. Now tell me now I am having one number is there 5, 6, 7, 8. Tell me it's 1 crore or 12 crore or 12 lakhs. Tell me. Anyone? Tell me. This is 1 crore or 12 crore. Tell me. Anyone? How to get? Tell me anyone. Number is not ready. Tell me how to get. No idea. So see what I'm asking is that what? Okay, this here. Okay. So how can you write? How can you know? We need to put comma. Okay, see, take the same thing, copy the same thing, Control V, comma. Okay, nothing but it's a 1 crore or 2. Okay, we can able to understand. See, this is my number is there. I want to convert like this. How to convert? Any idea, anyone? So we're having the concept of to-char conversion function. So we are converting our number into, see, this is what number into string. So how to convert? So 999999.00. Whatever the format. So this is the number we are trying to convert like this. Okay, see, this is number or string? Number or string? String. Now how to remove the spaces? By using trim function. So before that I want to put rupees. How to put rupees? By using what concept? By using concat concept or pipe symbol. So see, in database it is like this. It is not good looking. Now I want to convert like this. How to put property? By using column alias concept. Okay, so this is the to-char conversion function. We are converting our number into string. So this is so far good. Next thing is that what? So far good. Next thing is that what? Okay. Now tell me what is today's date? Today's what? 6/6/2025. So by using
6/6/20.
SQL, we need to get by using current date. Okay. So current time. So current date, current database, everything is a current. See, current date is nothing but 2025/06/05, 1840/53. Tell me how to club two strings by using what concept? By
Concatenate.
using concatenation or pipe symbol. But if see here what happened, there is no spaces are there. How to get the spaces? Tell me how to get spaces. We should put symbol space, we can able to make it working. Okay, output property by using column alias. So instead of the same thing, now we are having the concept of current timestamp. So right now we're discussing separately. In the Snowflake, we'll try to club all this concept. Tell me this is what? This is year. What is 606? It's a mm. It's a dd. Okay. Now what is 18? It's a hh. So what is 41 minutes, seconds, milliseconds, and time zone? Time zone. Simple thing. One more time. Here point you need to understand is that what? So year, month, date, hours, minutes, seconds. Tell me it is 12-hour format or 24-hour format?
24.
24-hour format. Okay, tell me, is it good looking? Huh? This is not good looking. Now I want to convert into my own format. How to convert? So we should go for what? Go for 2char concept. So 2char, simple thing. Now tell me what's the expected output? Anyone? Any guess? We'll get what? So we are converting our date into listing. We'll get what? Output 2025. Okay. Suppose what we'll get? We'll get 06. What we'll get? We'll get date thing. So see, so in database it is different, but I want to get in a different order. MON. Now what is the output? 05, 0 soon. Okay. Same thing. I want to get hours and minutes. Okay. HHMISS. Okay. Now tell me this is 24-hour format. I want to get 12-hour format. How to get put 12-hour? Okay, got the point, huh? Somewhat. So this is so far good. Now tell me 6 is there. This is AM or PM? They need to put separately. You can put AM or you can put PM. Now tell me what is India time? India is 6/6, but it is what in still 5. Why? Because tell me why.
US zone we select.
US time. Those who are in the US, they can able to see this time. 5th June 2025. So here what happened? One more parameter. Show parameters like time zone. Time zone. Okay. See here what happened. See, this is what time zone. So by default is see it is in 6:43 5th June. Nothing but what? So by default having America last in. If I want to get India, what I should do? Alter session set time zone equal to Asia, Kolkata. Kolkata. Okay, so this is the functionality. Got the point. And now here what happened? Now we'll get India time. India time is what? 7:14. We can able to get. So this is depends on who. Tell me this depends on what? Depends on your client. Nothing but your client is working in Australia. We should put Australia time zone. If you're working for US time zone. So here this is the concept you need to work on. So this is done by admin guy. Depends on the project, this will be working fine. Okay, this is the concept of what? So concept of 2char conversion function. In database, something is there. I want to display differently. We should go for what concept? Go for 2char concept. Same thing. Let me go for one more use case. So concepts are simple, just you need to put efforts, that's it, okay? Let me go here. Now see here what happened. Tell me how we are getting 6th June 2025 in my database. Normally it is there. How do we are getting this value? Tell me what I should do. Before that, how to get 6th June? What is 6th June?
DDMMY.
No. What is 6th June? How are you getting 6th June?
Today's
That
date.
is current date. It's not
Current date.
current date. How to convert this in this format? So to care of current date.
Current.
Tell me how to get anyone. So we should go for what? So DDTHMONYYY we can able to make it working. Okay. Now tell me now how we are getting this 9961 in my database. 9961 is there, but I want to get comma separate value.
Concatenate or pipe symbol.
First, we need to convert it to character.
To char function.
To char.
Tell me. So by using to char cons, how to put rupee symbol?
Concatenate.
Concatenate. Pipe.
So by using concatenate or pipe symbol. Okay, see, got the point. So this is the way we can able to get. Okay, same thing here also. So see, this is the functionality. Tell me simple SQL question, normal language. Now in my database, I'm having 1 gram gold is there. How to get 8 gram gold? Multiply with what? Multiply with 1, multiply with 8, multiply with 10, multiply with 100. So this is the concept. Getting the point of this is the way we can able to make it working. Same thing. This is what concept? Tell me. Tell me. So this is if I select silver, what is getting?
Filter.
See, this is filtering concept. No, if you're opening for the same thing, so this is the functionality. Got the point. So see, you need to understand by seeing this application. Okay, so this is the concept. Suppose here, let me go for Flipkart application. Suppose I want to purchase a phone. Okay, see phone. So like this only browse application and make it working. Okay, see phone. Okay. Now tell me this is what concept in my database. Now tell me how to put comma separate value.
To char
concept. How to put rupee symbol.
Concat.
Simple concat, no? Concat concept. Okay. How to make it to capital Samsung? Uppercase. Okay. So there are multiple Samsung there, but I'm getting only single Samsung. How are you getting?
Category equals to something.
No. How to get
Filter.
single?
Filter.
No, understand the concept. Okay. Now question is that what? So there's no, understand the question. There are multiple Samsung there. I want to get only unique records. How to get only unique records? Distinct
By
keyword.
using
Distinct keyword. Okay. So this is what concept? This is sorting concept. So seeing the data, I should be in a position. This is filtering concept. This is upper function. This is init cap. We should be same. This is to char concept. Got the point. So far good. This is the functionality. So far good. Okay. Now come to one more topic. Okay. Now, so Praveen is there. In this Praveen, I want to extract P. I want to extract R. Okay. I want to extract AB. I want to extract EN. Tell me now, I'm having one string. How to extract some part of the string?
Substr.
Substr concept. So substr. So I want to extract some part of the string. Very important. We should go for what concept? Go for substr concept. See, substr. Okay. So actual string, comma, from which position to start. Okay. Then what is the thing? Then number of characters need to extract. I'll explain. So need to extract. Okay. So got the point. That's a simple thing. Okay. See here, point you understand is that what substr. What is your string name? Praveen is the string name. Okay, so string name. See, tell me in SQL numbering start with what? Start with 1. Okay. Now what happened from which position? Tell me P is at which position? P is at which position?
First
First
position.
position.
First position. So how many characters? Tell me number of characters. This is how many character? Only
One
one
One.
character. Okay. So what about next one? So R is at which position? 2, 1, 1. Okay. Suppose AV. How to extract AV? Tell me.
3.
So third
3.
position. How many characters I want to extract? 2
Two
characters. 2 characters. Got to find a simple thing. You see, Control Z. So select. So use select concept, select the same thing. So 3, 2. Suppose if I put 3, 1, what's the output will get? Tell me 3, 1. 3, 1.
Only A will come.
Third position,
First position.
not first position. Third position, only 1 calorie is A. Okay. Same thing. So see, same thing. So Control C, Control V. So 3, 2. What's the output? So A, we will get. Same thing, copy the same thing, Control V. Now I'm putting like this. Now what is the exact output? Tell me. What is the exact output?
PRAV.
PRAV.
Last.
Keyword. See, so what is 3? Third position. From the third
A.
position.
A.
So see, so
A.
not
Only.
A. So we are not mentioning. If I put 3, 1, it will be A. But I am not mentioning anything. Nothing but what? From the third position, it give all the characters. So if I put 3, 2, nothing but what? AV. If I remove this one, nothing but what? From the third position, we'll get all the characters will get. This was the behavior. Got it? So far. So this is the concept of substr concept, substring function. Clear so far? So this is so far good. Okay, and also so far. And also see this is the functionality. Okay, see so far good. Okay. So substring. Same thing now what happened? Let me go here. So PRAVN Kumar. Now I want to get last 3 characters. How to get last 3 characters? Anyone? See, instead of this, what happened? We are having one more concept. It is substr. So Praveen. So -2, 2. So if you see here what happened, so I'll explain this one. So, okay. If I put positive value, nothing but what? Tell me positive value, nothing but what? So like this way, it will be positive value. Okay, from left to right. Left to right. If I give negative value, nothing but what? It will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. -2, 2, nothing but what? -1, -2. From here, 2 characters. Same thing if I put -3, 2. Tell me anybody. -1, -2, -3. From here, I want to extract 2. That is 2 characters. Okay, same thing. Tell me now how to extract this one. Tell me. I want to extract 1, 2, 3. How to extract 1, 2, 3? Tell me anyone. Substr. How to extract? Tell me. I want to extract last 4. Simply put -3. 3. -3, 3. What is output? We'll get out as 1, 2, 3. So far good. Same thing. Next one is that what? -3. Now what is the output? Tell me. Simple thing. So see, so from this, if I tell me, if I put 3, 3, what's the output? Starting from third position, we get 3, A, B, E. Okay, same thing. If I put -3, nothing but what? -1, -2, -3. From the 3, I want to extract last 3 characters. If I want to extract first 3, from this first position, put positive value. If I want to get, put negative value. We'll see some examples. Now tell me. Now tell me what is capital P, capital P, capital B. How to get?
Init cap.
Tell me.
Init
Init cap. Okay. Tell me how to get what is 6620?
Last 4 strings.
Last 4 digits of ref ID. How to get last 4 digits of ref ID?
By using
Substr.
Tell me.
substring.
Substr. How to get last 4?
minus 4.
Minus 4.
minus 4. How to capital P remaining small case?
Init cap.
Init cap. How to put proper heading?
Column alias.
Column alias. But
column
spaces are
alias.
there. How to get the spaces? See, if I put column alias, it is working fine. But what happened? I want to get spaces also. How to get spaces? Put double quotes, double quotes, double quotes. Okay, so double quotes. Okay, if you want to get the spaces with headings, go for double quotes. Okay, this is the concept. Okay, same thing. We'll see one more use case, then you can able to wind up today. So you should do the task like this only. If you're able to do, you can able to understand the functionality. So see, knowing the concept is not important. You should know implementation. See the same thing. Now tell me, this is the data. Tell me how we are trying to make it to, this one, capital case by using which function?
Uppercase.
Upper. Okay, see, this is so far good. Now tell me how we are extracting last 4 digits?
By using
Substr. Tell me this is the number I am getting, comma Substr value. How to get comma Substr value?
2 char.
2 char. So far good. Same thing in the database. This is like this. I want to display like this. How to get?
2 char format.
2 char only, no? So 2 char. See, ICICI. This is my data. This is my number, and this is my thing. Okay. Tell me remaining. Okay, 1 second. So see the data. Okay. So this is static or dynamic? Up to here, this is static. So remaining are coming from tables. Tell me how to club all the strings with the help of what concept? Concatenator pipe symbol. So see, simple thing. So see, same thing. If you're using any credit card or a debit or credit card, any loan, every month what we'll get statement. How they are generating with the help of this query only. So see, they are trying to see. So same thing. So if you pass your number, they'll get your credit card. If I pass my number, I'll get my credit card. So this is static or dynamic. This is dynamically we are. So remaining are static. So we need to club with string and we are name it. So like this only application.